Hey guys, so just a real quick recap of this week. I completed the book, The Unicorn Project, 350 pages, 8 days, whirlwind tour. It all starts with the concept of, hey, this code that my team is working on, how do I get it working on my laptop? What steps do I have to take to build the latest code and get it working on my laptop? That question is one worth pursuing. In light of that, I started working on something called the Docker tutorial. It's at docker-curriculum.com. I'm going through my Anki decks and reducing things that I'm just not working on right now so I can actually get myself caught up. Got VirtualBox working on my machine again. I got rid of the Windows Docker desktop on both my home and work computer. My work computer didn't respond well to the reboot, and I ended up spending like 3 hours with a help desk one morning with no machine and trying to do everything at work on my phone. That was entertaining, or at least the Dwarf Fortress version of fun. Let me see here. Is there anything else? I've got a Docker account, Dockerhub. I've got an AWS account. Those of you who know what that means, you're probably going, yeah, whatever. Those who don't, you're probably also saying the same thing. And then I noticed that, I was looking at my video from last week, and it's like, this is horrible. What is the problem? Turns out that my webcam is 780p or 720p. It's like, if I was using my just straight up phone, I'd have better resolution. So I have an order for a new webcam. That should be getting here Wednesday. I've wrapped some project management around my my algorithms course. I believe I'm 2% done. I've got, it's a relatively complex project. I've got a lot of stages. I'll explain the project. Basically, I have to solve the algorithms, then I have to record the algorithms. I got to get the pseudocode in there. Make sure my README file is right. Like I said, record the video, then edit the video, then render the video, and that all takes some time. It's like the solving takes anywhere from 10 to usually 15 minutes, but sometimes that goes up as high as an hour, but usually it's around 15 minutes. The recording takes about that long. Usually recording is like 10 minutes because I've already solved the algorithm. I'm doing it for the second time. Editing the video, that takes if I can get that down to half an hour, I'll be counting myself really good. So I've got a long way to go. I'm still aiming to have the entire project done by the end of this month, because then I want to be diving into my pre-calc so that I can get back to my 4-year degree. So like I said, this is really more of just a quick update. Next Saturday is the beginning of my 57th year. It's my 56th birthday. Wow, those things come fast. It was like a couple of days ago that I was like 30. Really, just a couple of days ago. That was 1994. So, yeah, anyway, I'm going to boot this thing up, put it on the net, and thanks for being with me, family. I'll let you know how some of these projects are going next week. Have a great one. Bye.